Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about NVIDIA earnings. In the past, I provided you with chart reading and historical background of the financials in the past quarters prior to the earnings call. Today we're going to do it a little differently. I'm going to give you all of that information while the earnings call is ongoing so we can incorporate a little bit of the earnings highlight into the video. I can also provide you with my thoughts on the stock price reaction to the earnings calls. So with that in mind, let's dive right into it. So this is NVIDIA's daily chart before the earning results come out. So far, the stock hasn't done anything. So we'll continue to monitor when the earnings come out. But I do want to point out, let's go to the weekly chart real fast here. I do want to point out that there is a huge bull flag, weekly bull flag for NVIDIA currently. So for the last few weeks, actually almost the last year, since March of 2020, NVIDIA has been pulling a weekly bull flag. It broke out slightly 2 weeks ago with an all-time high of $614. It has since retraced back to the 50 days moving average, which is the white dotted line here at 545.25. But if the bull flag were to materialize, the first price target is 757 and the second price target is 982. These are weekly bull flags, so I just want to remind you that it won't materialize over the next few hours or days. It will take weeks and months to materialize. But unlike other tech stock, NVIDIA has not been pulling back big. The last September pullback as well as the recent pullback. NVIDIA has been holding up pretty well, and right now it is hovering right above the upper end area of this bull flag, which is really good for a potential breakout. So NVIDIA earnings have come out. The earnings per share was estimated to be $2.81. The actual was $3.10. Sales also beat estimate at 4.82 billion, and actual was 5 billion. So that was a decent beat. It wasn't a huge beat, but it was a decent beat. Let's take a look at the stock price. For trading tomorrow, it's important to note that NVIDIA, once it moves up, it tends to be pretty consistent. So we should observe the price action in the first half an hour without doing anything. If it starts spiking up and then consolidate or retrace back just a little bit, it would be a great opportunity to enter given the fact that it beats earning estimates. If it has gone down in the last half an hour and spike right back up, then I would wait, because the reversal is really hard to predict how it's going to do in the subsequent hours. But what I expect is a 5-minute bull flag, and I will enter at the body of the flag, waiting for the next breakout. It's a better view of the chart to see that it's spiking through the upper end of my bull flag here, and it's reaching for the all-time high of $614. Hopefully it will spike through that after hours, and we'll see the price action in the morning. But once again, I'm looking for a consistent move, something like this. Keep going up, retrace, and continue to go up. So I will definitely wait out the first half an hour tomorrow, and then I'm going to enter a position if NVIDIA went up consistently the first half an hour. I'll wait for a quick retracement before entering. I won't do puts tomorrow though, because NVIDIA, based on the weekly bull flag, it seems like it's just wait for the right catalyst to spike. But if it doesn't, I'm afraid of a reversal, so I won't enter a put position per se. That's just my thought. Take a look at NVIDIA's historical financial records for now. If we look at this, the gaming revenue is still almost the bread and butter for NVIDIA, which is in the blue bar here. And then we got the red area, which is professional visualization, the yellow area to be data center, the green area to be auto, and the purple area is OEM, original equipment manufacturer, and IP. So for the most part, NVIDIA is famous for its semiconductor business for the gaming industry, and it has been gotten into the data center business that has grown a lot over the last few quarters. For the auto portion, I believe this is the supercomputers that will help with navigating autopilot for the various EV manufacturers out there, not Tesla in particular, but definitely NIO. So this portion has not grown very much. I'm assuming there's a lot of R&D work involved in here. But overall, it's looking pretty good. Overall, the chart seems to grow over the last few quarters. NVIDIA has positive operating income that has also grown compared between the last 2 quarters, as well as the gross profit. Net income, it dipped in Q2 of fiscal year 2021, but then it went right back up. We are hoping that NVIDIA is having positive net income this time around, which I think it will. The gross margin is over 60%. This is a really good business. A lot of the business has to do with the data center that generate very good gross margin for the business here. You don't see businesses with gross margins of over 50%. Tesla, for the automobile service alone, it was 23%. It's really good. So this is definitely great news. Operating expense, on the other hand, has been increasing. As I mentioned earlier, the R&D portion has been increasing for the last 2 quarters. NVIDIA has been growing revenue year over year, and the OpEx, which is the red line right here, has been decreasing in terms of growth, which is good. So revenue increase, OpEx, operating expenses decrease. Here's the cash flow. So NVIDIA still seems to be investing a lot into capital expenditure, evidence in the negative cash flow here for CapEx. But overall, its free cash flow is still pretty good as of the last quarters. And of course, the market cap has consistently increased over the past few quarters as well. Overall, the stock is doing really well after earnings, so we will continue to monitor and see if it will materialize tomorrow morning. But for stockholders, congratulations. NVIDIA has another record quarter. I look forward to holding the stock for the long haul. So that is it for this video. I hope you find the content helpful. Good luck trading tomorrow. I hope that for the investors out there, you guys are going to hold on to NVIDIA long term, given the very strong technical and fundamental of this companies. And if you have any other ideas on future video, please comment down below, and I'd love to make another video for you guys. Thank you very much, and until the next video, bye.